So I have a really big surprise, and it's been something I've been working on for over a year, and I'm finally going to tell you about it in this video. Hey guys, I'm Tammy and welcome back to my channel. I've been sewing for about 6 years now, and this was my first sewing machine. It was a brother one and I got it in around July 2018. Like many of you, when I first started my sewing journey, I turned straight away to sewing books that I bought on Amazon and places like that, but I found in all of them the garments that were in there didn't really match the style that I was looking to create, and they just felt really old-fashioned and just not me, which is why I'm finally so excited to share that for the past year I've been working on my very own first sewing book. So this one is called So Simple. That's the front cover. The back looks like that, and that's what the spine looks like. Can we not? Oh my god, that's me on the front cover. There's my name. Can you believe it? This is what I've been working on for a whole year, and I finally get to share this with you. So as you already know, I'm a sewing pattern designer. I create sewing patterns for Tammy Handmade, and I finally had the chance to create a series of sewing patterns within this book for anyone to follow. It's a complete beginner's guide to sewing. If someone could have given me this book 6 years ago, this would have saved so many headaches and crying sessions. Honestly, I wanted to make the book for sewing and just encourage people to learn the skill and actually make clothes they genuinely enjoy making. So I can't wait for you to try this. So Simple is available for pre-order right now, so you can buy it. I've left a link down in the description box below for you to check out. Like, oh my god, there's so much in here. I was thinking the other day that I actually can't imagine what my life would look like if I hadn't learned how to sew. I was learning how to sew in my spare time. I was a full-time graphic designer, and then I was just sewing in the evenings in the corner of my bedroom, and it just blossomed into something I really enjoy doing now. And as you know, it's my full-time career. So when I had the opportunity to write a book and actually include sewing patterns within it, I was like, oh my god, yes, this is literally my dream job. So I created this book to be super digestible and really easy to follow and read. So it comes with 15 sewing patterns, which is a lot, and there's 5 extra variations, so you actually can make 20 different garments. I honestly just wanted all the patterns to be a really nice range of a mix of woven fabrics and knit fabrics, and then also if you're a complete beginner or if you are someone more intermediate to advanced, there are still really great patterns in this book. I don't want to give away too much just yet. This is just an initial video, but I want to show you just a quick inside page. So this is one of the simplest projects in here. It's the sheared dress and top. So you can see that's a picture of the garment, and then we've also got this page that has a size chart and all the different things you'll need to get started. When I actually first started my sewing journey, one thing I hated in all the sewing books was that each of the pages for the patterns that they have didn't actually cover all the instructions. So you know, in some books they'll have like 20 steps, but only 5 of them are illustrated and the rest are just purely written. That is something I especially did not want to do, because I know how valuable it is to break down each step really clearly. So for an example, when you open up one of the instruction pages, you can see each bit of written text actually comes with an illustration, so you can really clearly visualize what to do when you're sewing each step. Things like that are just so important to me, and I know how valuable it is when you are first starting your sewing journey and you find sewing books really hard to follow. That's exactly why I made this book, so you could find it really easy to use and actually start making clothes you love straight away. As I said in the beginning of this video, you can pre-order So Simple the book right now via the link in the description box. Basically, pre-ordering is when you order the book before it comes out. So this book is coming out on June the 12th, but you can pre-order it right now, so when it comes out you're the first to get it. Pre-ordering just really helps people like myself that are first-time authors, and in general it just helps me and my business and also get this book out there. Sewing does not have to be complicated, which is exactly why I try to create really easy to follow sewing patterns that you can create really quickly, but also create clothes that you genuinely enjoy wearing. So please share this book far and wide with family members or friends that haven't started sewing yet, but you know they'd really enjoy it. And even if you already know how to sew, this book is still for you. The patterns in it are so good. Honestly, holding it feels so surreal, because when you've been working on something for a whole year and you put your entire energy into writing a book like this, it's just the feeling of actually having it in your hands is incredible. I also just want to thank every single one of you that has ever commented on my YouTube videos or liked my YouTube videos. Honestly, your support means so much to me and I wouldn't even be here without you. So I hope you enjoyed this video of showing you my sewing book. Honestly, I still can't believe I get to say I have a sewing book and that I'm going to be an author. Honestly, I feel like I can finally relax because for the past year, I've been working on that in secret and not even being able to tell anyone about it. The amount of work that goes into making a book, let alone 15 sewing patterns, is absolutely mind-blowing. I'm just so glad I finally get to share this with you and you are able to purchase what I've been working so hard to create. So that's what I've been doing for the past year and I just can't wait for you to get your hands on this. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you in the next one.